we're gonna play some Roblox, but with default, what? I mean, old songs. Alright, so let me set up my Spotify. Alright, here we go. Hey, I don't know what to play now. I'm too bored. You guys, I'm too bored. So I'm gonna play. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Where do I stream? I just stream. What? Okay. I don't know where. Alright, what do you do? Do you guys know this? This is the trend, like the old Roblox one, like it just like old songs, like oh the first love, oh this is this is oh that is so good. I mean, oh my god, guys, it's so good, it's so warm and gold. What? Is it YouTube or? Guys, I'm just gonna play this one. Guys, too loud. Wait, guys. This way. Oh guys, we going in. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, he's coming back again. Wow. Guys, I'm too annoyed right now because this system and I need this. Wow, let's get out of my way. Wow guys. Well, I'm too bro. This system one let me just play easily. It just let me hard. It's let me harder play, bro. Like how? Bro, we're not gonna survive with this one. You know, bro, I'm seriously not gonna get survive. I'm just gonna get survive. Oh my god. Bro, and now I'm too lag. Wow! Wow, because this oh my god, I'm too annoyed right now. Bro, what do we do? Why you keep coming back? I know! Freak! Let me read this one. Wow! I never came back again. Bro! No. I'm too bro, I'm stuck on freaking oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god guys. Wow! I got too annoyed. Guys, I'm gonna die. Oh, don't. Oh, bro. What? Oh. How about I shoot the dragon? Give me a fish ray. No, just try little dragon. Little dragon. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, wow, yes sir. Bro, this is so, oh my god, I'm getting annoyed with this one. Oh my god. It keeps going on me. Oh, nothing. Nice girl. Guys, I quit swiping it and oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die with this one. So, I just keep going. What the? Why? Guys, I'm too lag. I'm too lag. Guys, it keep bounce me, bro. Bro, it keep bounce me. It bounce me off. Bro, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Bro, it keeps bouncing me off. It bounced me off. Guys, I swear, if I die here, it's my phone fault. Oh my god, it's my phone fault because oh my god, it's too long. Oh my god, what the heck? Guys, oh my god. I keep swiping and it keeps going. Oh my god. So, it keeps going on me. Why? Bro, why? 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 Bro, it keeps go. Nah. Guys, this is right. Oh wait, no. Guys, this is so right. So I keep trying to swipe and this is coming back. Oh my god, do you have a disease? Oh my god, guys. I swear, if I didn't get the diamond, it's my fault. Just let me know that. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, no. Oh wait, I guess disconnected. Anyway. Guys, I have problem with this Android system. Oh my god, guys, I get guys, I'm too angry because of this Android system. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh. Well, I don't know. Bro, it keeps. What the heck is this? My problem is I cannot charge for this water. I'm gonna charge you guys. This is my problem now. I know the it's not give me. God, they don't give me. If I die here, it's my. Wait a second, guys. If I die. My God! Bro, I had enough. Now, you know what? Nah. Guys, I solved the problem. So there's a problem that my the charger is just overheating and this charger has actually saved me. It's time to play because I don't know. I just rage quitted. Start off rage. What? It's just gonna make me rage. Nah, you're not. You don't. You're not gonna get rage if I just don't. But if I rage, it means this charger one it sees me up. Oh, I know this one. Oh my god. Perfect. It's too laggy. All we need to do is just dance. I'm not gonna do it. Oh my god, I missed Oh my god, so fun. I'm not angry. That was balance. What the is the power of love? No, 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 no. I have to get back. They try to chase me, but I keep lagging to save my face. Oh wait, I'm getting fun. Dude, that's too gold. Guys, they tried to think of what? Guys, it's too loud. Oh my god. Oh wait, no. Wait, I'm only overheating. Guys, overheating. Yeah, overheating. What the heck is that? What the heck is that thing? Wow! Wow! Yeah, that's what we did. That's what we did. Oh bro, there's some winner that trying to sleep. Wow! That is so good! Oh my god, it's so good. Roblox? What is this? Oh wait, what? Guys, I might die. Bro, what the heck? What the heck does happen? Oh guys, I might die. No. Oh wait, they're trying to kill us. If they try to win, oh, it's the power. Oh my god, it's time to die. Here we go. 3, 2. I know that. I know that. I know that. Bro. 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 No. Okay, just, being steady. Oh crap. Oh crap. Guys, I might join the developer, okay? Oh my god. It's so hard. This is so hard. I know the oh my god, no. It keeps spamming now. It just doesn't. Frick. Oh. Guys, I might watch more video because oh my god no. 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 Oh my god no. No. Oh my god, these guys. Bad. It might be bad. Wow, no. No. Guys. Guys. I might be problem. Guys. That's hard. Oh my god. That's not the problem anyway. Guys, oh my god, it's glitching, oh my god, oh my god, this is not happening. Guys, it might be my problem, oh my god, why it won't, guys, I swear, it's my problem, it's not, oh no. Oh my god, guys. Oh no. Guys, oh my god, this is my problem now. I might die. What's going on? I cannot see. Bro. Okay, now it's no problem. I'm supposed to call so I can win the phone. Oh my god.